Okay guys, this is a Placita de Floréz here in Medellín, in the downtown area. It's Antioqueño patrimony. So I'm gonna give you a walking tour of this area. If you need to buy any kind of herbs, medicinal herbs, you can come here. And they have a lot of fruit and vegetables too, but you can find herbs on the second floor there, or on the main floor. And a lot of things. You can get a lot of deals here, a lot of good deals. And you got the street sellers selling their avocados and everything, OJ, all kinds of stuff. And they got those other supermarkets across the street, and you can get good deals here. And if you want to live in the downtown area here, there are good apartment complexes, not complexes, just buildings in this area. Now this kind of reminds me of India, of just walking around, and you got to be careful with the motorbikes and everything. So yeah, this is La Placita de Floréz, as it shows you right there. Placita de Floréz. Because you can also get a lot of flowers here. You can get a lot of fresh flowers and everything. And this is a marketplace where everybody comes to buy food at discounted prices. You can see that they have all of that in there. And that's the entrance right there, but I'm not gonna go inside because they require, and they got fast food things here. You got hot dogs for 2,500 pesos, hamburgers 3,500 pesos, arepa de queso with condensed milk. Yeah, lecheritas condensed milk for 3,000 pesos. You can buy like a liter of Milo or... I was trying to show you here that you can get these things, these deals, cheap prices for a hot dog. A hot dog with sausage, 2,500. A hamburger, 3,500. Arepa de queso con lecherita for 3,000 pesos. Any extras, 1,500. A jar, like a jug, 1 liter jug of juice or Milo, which is like Nestle Quick, for 2,500, or some kind of fruit juice. So you got those things where you can come and snack. You got these places where you can come and have a snack. So this is La Placita de Floréz here, and we're doing this tour. So I'm going to show you all of this if you want to walk around and get a taste of what local life is like. It's not for the tourists, but a tourist can come here and check it out and see what's up. Remember that D1 store? Anywhere in the city you can find them, and you can get cheap prices, very cheap prices. Like I said, you have to be careful with the motorbikes. They can hit you, run over you. Papaya, mango, all kinds of stuff here. So I'm gonna keep on walking and show you all of this. Placita de Floréz. Oh, I gotta take a picture of that in a moment. So that is La Placita de Floréz, and you see a virgin there at the entrance. So let's continue the trip. As I was telling you, you can find a lot of cheap flowers around here, very nice. You got that Rosas Flores shop right there, that green thing, so you can do that. You got the street sellers coming and selling their pineapples, bananas, apples, tangerines. You get very sweet deals here. They really won't try to cheat you like some other places. But if you ask a couple of times, you'll see that basically they have the same price for those things. Now we're walking over to the tramway. The tramway is in that direction. The day is warming up. It's getting warmer, you know, it's getting warmer. Well, I just noticed that I'm sounding really like dead, like monotonous. Like, wow, what a monotonous person. Boring. So I gotta, you know, spice it up, baby. Again, I don't know, I was just thinking about something else, so I guess that's why I was thinking like that. Now if you got a pet, look, el agro de mi mascota. You got all kinds of things for pets over there. everything. You got all kinds of stuff here. Look at the fruit and vegetables, all the carrots, potatoes, and everything. Everything. This is the COVID-19 era, and this is October 2nd. Today is October 2nd, 2020. So let's see what else we can see. We're coming up on the tramway here, and I'm gonna show you the tramway. See what's up with that. Tramway. This is the tramway. So maybe we'll catch one in a few seconds. Oh, I gotta buy some chocolate bread. Look at some stuff here. Look, you got all kinds of stuff, all kinds of baked goodies here at this shop. And you can see the prices right there. And it's sweet and sour, well, mostly stuff like that. Wow, nice. And this is on the tramway, 2 blocks over from Placita de Floréz. This is the tramway going all the way up Ayacucho. So this I recommend as a tourist. You come all the way to the San Antonio metro station, all the way down there. You get off, you go down, and then when you go down, you got the tramway and you pay for that, which is different from the train, I think, from the metro. So then you just got to find out where you got to pay or what you got to do. I've never ridden the thing. And look, cakes, Mr. Ponqué, cakes and everything. And then you got this Justo y Bueno shop, which is the competition for D1 tiendas. And they give good prices too, very good prices on a lot of things. So we're on the tramway here. And you can go all the way up that way, and the day is warming up. This is downtown Medellín, basically. All of this is downtown Medellín. For those of you who are American, I don't know if this reminds you of White Castle. White Castle in the New York, New Jersey area. White Castle has this taste some people can't just live without. Do you guys remember White Castle? This is for the Americans. White Castle. It looks like a White Castle hamburger place. Tell me if you don't think it does look like White Castle. Wow, it just brought back those memories when I was a teenager in New York and looking at the White Castle stuff. Check it out. And this is what one of the stations looks like for the tramway, but I think the tramway is not operating because of the COVID-19 thing. Only the metro is, but I don't think this one is. And this is what the station looks like. As you can see, this is what the station looks like here. This is the Pabellón del Agua. This is the station right there. That's the name of it, Pabellón del Agua, Rosas Flores. So this is the station. Oh well, I don't think we're gonna see this thing working today.